back, Steve. Pull back, get it out.
Keep your rod up high.
Don't let it go. Your dad help you. Hey, reel. Reel. Now, stop. Oh, wow. You tired of me get it, or you got it?
Let your dad get him.
Here, let me get him. Here, let me get him. You record. Here, don't push no button. Here, let me see. I got it. Here. Just don't push no button. Just recording. Just watch me.
Just don't throw your rod forward when you take up slack. Just keep your rod up high.
Just, okay, like this?
Yeah. Don't throw forward.
Are you recording? Bring him out. What do you think?
Yeah, just gotta take your time with them.
Keep that tension on it. It's going downstream. Oh man.
Brady, you had to pass that one off, didn't you? That one was too big for you.
Come over here, Bubba. Come over here. I'm trying to get
That
it.
fish is too
Here, Bubba.
big.
Are you shooting the water?
Filming it?
That hair.
Yeah, he's shooting video. Oh.
Ooh, I see it.
Brown.
No spot. So spots on the side. I'm shooting.
Over here, Bubba. I'll bring him up. Come over here in the water. Put him in the water. Right here. Oh. Here, shoot him, buddy. Shoot him.
Pretty fish.
Ooh, there's one on there, buddy.
I got him.
Look at the color. Look at the colors of them.
Oh, wow.
I did it.
There we go. There you go.
Oh, that is a giant.
Yeah, I'll get video. Let me see it, Brady.
That's a nice one there. Isn't it?
Oh, yeah. No, I got him the tail.
That is pretty.
The alligator.
Alligator. Now put your clip on him and hold him up. Get your deal and hook him.
I didn't think I'd get a hold of him. Whoa. He's big. Whoa.
Can you get him?
Get hold of him.
Take pictures. Somebody hold him still.
There you go.
Yeah, that's a good one, Bubba. Yeah, I had to.
Pull back on it.
Here, let's get him so he's ready. Here, hold him up, Bubba.
Pretty colored one.
Okay, come here. Come here, stand over here looking this way. Come here, look at Daddy. Come here. Here, hold him with your right hand. Hold him with your right hand.